All right, guys, here we go. Just got done at the shop. It's Thursday. We head to Chicago tomorrow, first thing in the morning. It was a real short week for me. Got back from Cleveland Monday afternoon, worked Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then now we'll be headed to Chicago first thing in the morning for the American Beauty Show. Super excited, man. This show is a mixture of both barbers and Cosmo, so it's super dope, man, to spread our knowledge with the beauty industry and vice versa, man. So looking forward to it, so let's go. All right, guys, I wasn't able to document too much this morning. I did my due diligence. I packed the night before, but you know, unexpected things can happen. I misplaced my wallet and I couldn't find it this morning. And I was looking all over the house. I literally pulled out the driveway and got about 5 to 10 minutes into my drive and realized I didn't have my wallet, turned back around and couldn't find it for nothing. And ended up finding it in my other car on the dashboard. It was blended into the dashboard. So now I'm pushing it to the airport right now. Flight leaves at 8:30. It's 7:08. My ETA is 7:23. I gotta park the car. I gotta go check the bag in and get to my gate. Are you a barber just looking to take your barbering career to the next level? Are you tired of not being where you wanna be? Are you looking to surround yourself by like-minded people? Well, we got a home for you. It's called the 6-Figure Barber Mentorship Program. In this community, come join the thousands of members that have joined all over the world to take their career to the next level, both in business, mindset, and just overall. We got a spot for you. Join right now with the link below. Look forward to seeing you there. All right, guys, we made our flight. It was a bit adventurous, but we made our flight. Got a 2-hour flight to Chicago. Gonna land and get some food. Think go ahead to set up and then check into our hotel. We get there a little bit early the day before just to do setup. All right, it's a little brisk out here. All right, but we're waiting on Dre now. Pick us up, drive about 45 minutes to the hotel, check into the hotel, and get this day started. And here we are, guys, the calm before the storm. We finally got into here. All right, we just found our booth. All right, now it's time to actually set it up. This is what most people don't see, is actually the setup. All right, still putting in the footwork, still getting things done. And that's how we do. Look who joined us. All right, guys, just getting back from the room from a team building activity. We went bowling. That was super dope, super fun, super competitive with the guys. All right, so day 1 is complete. This is basically like setup day. Tomorrow's game time. Tomorrow's the first day of the American Beauty Show. This show's been going on for a long time, and it's a mixture of barbers and cosmetologists. So it's like the whole beauty industry in its entirety gonna be there. You're gonna see how big this show is. It's a 3-day show, and people come from all over the world. But we're gonna go ahead and start this off right by getting a good, nice rest, man. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Here we are, morning of the event. Got my dog with me. All right. Gonna go grab some coffee, head over to the event, finish setting up, and get this day going. I like this show, like I said earlier, man. I like this show because it's a different group of people, so I'm excited. Come on. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Look at. Maybe you're looking for the right circle to surround yourself with. Maybe you're looking for new systems to implement into your business. Maybe you just want this year to be a better year than last year in your business. Why don't you come join us in the Tomb45 Free School Academy that allows you to just be yourself, be transparent, and learn from other people. There you'll get helpful tips, business strategies, and mentorship to help you go to the next level. See you there. What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Here we are, day 2. I had a little hard time sleeping last night. That's just my body telling me that I gotta move, so. Woke up early this morning. We're gonna hit this gym first thing. Let's get it. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Third and final day, American Beauty Show. We're out of here. But this is why I love the team, man. No one's bigger than anybody else, man. Everybody plays their part. And this is what it's all about, man. Coming together for the bigger picture, providing more opportunities for more people. But if serving is beneath you, then leading is above you, man. So you gotta be in a servant position all the time, man. I'm happy to be able to serve a company that supports me as well, just as much, all right, man? So shout out to Tomb45, let's get it. All right, guys, after 4 delays, we're finally on the plane to go home. I'm super tired. I think it's like 10:40. We're not gonna get on the floor in Tampa until like 2 a.m. And I got a 50-minute ride home. So yeah, see my home about 3 something in the morning. But Chicago was a great show. American Beauty Show was a great show. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you like it, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Just been trying to do my best to stay as consistent as possible when it comes to these things, man. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you on the next one.